Are you always drained after a good workout? Or perhaps your muscles are too sore the next day? The answer lies in your food, specifically what you eat after exercising. Post-workout nutrition plays a crucial role in how quickly you recover. You'll need food that will help your muscles repair themselves more efficiently. But what exactly should you be eating and drinking? Let's have a look at several foods and beverages that can make a big difference in your recovery and performance after you exercise. The first thing is to eat complex carbohydrates. We're not talking about having sugary sweets, white rice, or pastries. What you need are foods that are not only packed with carbohydrates, but also have more nutrients and won't cause your blood sugar levels to spike. Eating them after a workout can help replenish your energy faster. Next type of food group you should have are proteins. Whey protein supplements are quite popular because they're a fast way to consume and absorb protein. This speeds up muscle repair and growth. Other protein sources like eggs and chicken are also common choices. You'll also need foods that fight inflammation. Tart cherry juice and turmeric are two fantastic options. The former can reduce muscle soreness, while the latter has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Another great choice is fatty fish, like salmon and tuna. Their omega-3 fatty acids can fight off muscle damage and pain. You'll also benefit from having watermelon juice. It's rich in electrolytes that reduce muscle cramping. Some other drinks with great post-workout benefits include pomegranate juice and beet juice. Pomegranates have antioxidants that improve your blood flow so your muscles heal faster. On the other hand, beets can enhance how oxygen circulates throughout your body so you don't become too tired. So remember, if you want to bounce back faster after a grueling workout, always have these foods packed with you. But remember to listen to your body's signals. Eat when you're hungry, but don't overeat. Fuel up wisely after your workouts. Your body will thank you for it.